day 2 at Royal Glamorgan Hospital. So on the way over, I was listening to Sigma Nutrition Radio, and this week they were talking about alcohol intakes. One of the things I picked up on in particular was the J-shaped curve we see when looking at the amount of people who are having certain health conditions. So things like heart attacks, a reduction when you have a small amount of alcohol, and then as that alcohol increases, the amount of heart attacks increases, and that starts to increase steeper and steeper. However, certain conditions, so things like strokes, they have more of a linear relationship, which means as soon as you start having even a small amount of alcohol, the amount of strokes we see people having also increases. I definitely want one of these when I qualify. Da, 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 da. Bit of a quieter day today. We've been in the office most of the day. We did sit in on a virtual clinic with a young girl who had received support for faltering throat. It sounds like she was doing really well. I asked her about her favourite flavours of the nutrition support she was receiving, so she liked the chocolate one. Other than that, I've been going over cow's milk protein allergy, reading around the guidance on what is suitable. So main takeaway was that soya-based milks for under 6-month-old children is not recommended other than in very specific circumstances, just because it doesn't provide the nutrients. And soy can also cause issues with allergies, and the type of sugar in soy is a free sugar, so that can cause issues for teeth.